Hi guys, this company went ahead and sent me their ultrasonic cleaner here. So this thing is perfect for dentures, jewelry. You can use it for any small like metal objects that can be cleaned with water. But this thing is super, super awesome. So there are UV rays in there, so it is super easy to go ahead and actually clean this. I have my wife's ring right here. So this is what it looks like before. She does not clean this thing very often because we don't have anything like this. So when she does clean it, and we moved from our state where the jeweler was at, so we don't have access to allowing them to clean it freely. So it does have a max fill line. We're gonna go ahead and drop her ring in there. We're gonna do that, and be 3 minutes. And so after the 3 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and clean that Okay, so we just finished, and let's go ahead and look and see how the ring looks after the fact. So let's go ahead and get that out. Let me see if I can see that in there. Sorry, I'm at a weird angle right here. So let's get that. You can see the water. Oh wow, that thing is gorgeous. You can see the shine of that now. It got all the dirt out and just looks absolutely gorgeous. It is so shiny now, and just it cleaned so good. I am thoroughly surprised. This thing looks like brand new. And obviously, if you want to, guys can throw it in there again and do the cleaning process again. But honestly, overall, really, really do love the effect of that. That thing looks stunning. Highly, highly recommend it, and hope y'all give it a try.